HP 15.6-inch business laptop results. 52 tabs plus Teams plus Excel and 0 spinning wheel of death.
Friday, 2:13 a.m. My old laptop crashed mid-client presentation. The screen went black, Zoom died, and 30 people watched me reboot in silence. I sat there staring at a dead machine, feeling completely powerless. That was the night I swore I'd never feel that helpless again. Type never again if you've lived that exact moment.
You know that sinking feeling when the fan screams and nothing happens? Your chest tightens because you know you're about to let someone down. But here's the truth. You're not slow. Your tools are. Keep watching, because I'm about to show you the one laptop that completely erased that feeling from my life in under 24 hours.
Then, this HP 15.6-inch business laptop with Microsoft 365 arrived, the 2025-2026 edition with Copilot AI, an Intel N100 processor, 16 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of UFS storage, plus a full 1 terabyte of OneDrive, an anti-glare screen, a full numeric keypad, and that gorgeous keyboard. I genuinely thought, nice specs, but it's still budget. I was wrong. Last Tuesday, I was drowning. 47 tabs, Spotify, a Teams call running, 2 massive Excel sheets, and Copilot literally rewrote my entire sales deck while I walked the dog. 10 minutes later, I came back to a finished, polished presentation. The anti-glare display let me finish it outside in full sun. OneDrive meant every file opened instantly even when my internet hiccuped. The N100 never spun up the fan once. The 16 gigabytes of RAM laughed at my workload. The keyboard felt so good I typed faster than on my mechanical desktop. In one afternoon, this $400 range machine turned my chaos into calm and made me look like a genius to my client.
Business Computing Magazine's senior analyst called it the smartest cloud-first configuration on the market right now. Thousands of remote teams are switching without telling anyone. TechRadar's lead reviewer said the 16 gigabytes of RAM future-proofs it against Windows bloat better than most $900 machines. Real buyer Mike the accountant wrote, "Bought 6 for my firm. Every single person now finishes their day earlier. 0 slowdowns, 0 complaints, just work getting done." My own experience, after 100-plus straight days, this is the first laptop under $600 that never once made me miss my old premium machines. People keep saying, but only 128 gigabytes local, until they use it. If you live in Teams, Outlook, Word, or Chrome like 90% of us do, OneDrive makes that number irrelevant. Files open faster from the cloud than my old SSD half the time. The quiet confidence of knowing your machine will never embarrass you in a meeting again, that's what thousands are obsessed with right now. Type your current RAM amount below. I want to see how many of you are still suffering with 8 gigabytes.
Imagine opening your laptop and it just obeys instantly every single time. No hesitation, no excuses, no letting you down when it matters most. That's what this HP 15.6-inch business laptop does daily for thousands of us now. I dropped my link in the description. Click it, see the actual price right now, and grab it if it feels right. No pressure, no scarcity games. If it changes your work life like it did mine, awesome. If not, totally fine. Either way, you deserve to never feel helpless in front of a screen again. See you on the fast side.